back to my channel, you guys. Today is Sunday. Let me see, Sunday what? Sunday, May 4th. And me and Shakila decided that we wanted to go hiking, which I feel like is good because at least I know I could use some nature, and it's been a minute that I've gone hiking. And then I also like the waterfalls, so that's kind of where we're going to. Let me see the place, what it's called. 1 second. Alright, you guys, I found it. So the place we're going to is called Cloudland Canyon. You say, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. That's the place. I don't know if y'all could see that or not. It's about 2 hours away from us, so we need to get on heading there now. It is currently about to be 10 o'clock. We were gonna go earlier than this, but she's got to do some things first, and then we're gonna head there. So I'm just, as long as we can get there on time, and it's not, well, just a little earlier than later is what I'm saying. I'm like, we're good. It should not be a problem as far as traffic, and then just to enjoy it, right? Because I'm not sure how long the hiking is, and we'll just find out when we get there. All I know is 2 hours away, so we gotta drive. And as you can tell, I'm obviously looking like active wear is what I got on. And for my hair, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it, and I just threw this on and I did a little something just so it didn't look kind of too plain. I mean, we are going hiking. It's not sunny or anything, not yet at least. It is a little chilly. It did rain last night, so that's why I got this on. But if I do get hot, you know, I always can take that off. But I'm doing a lot of talking only just because I need to let my car warm up, and then I'm gonna head that way. I am already running late. I told her I was gonna be at her house at 10. I'm not proud to say this. The ones that know me personally, that go out with me and have seen my time management, I'm not proud to say it, but I am kind of always running late. They always say something about that, like, we need to let you know 2 hours before, let you know we're going this time just so you're ready on time, because I'm always running late. It's not on purpose though. It's really not. Like, I'll try my best to be on time or be at the house at a certain time. It's just things happen. That's all I gotta say. Things happen. If anyone else relates to that, you know how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much all. We're just gonna go out there and I'll record, you know, the drive, and once we get there, and just the experience. It's my first time, it's her first time. Obviously 2 hours away, that means it's not near us, so we wouldn't be doing a drive like this all the time. So we'll see how it goes. We may not go back, who knows. We'll just see. And that's it. Before I make this intro too long, I just wanted to like come in and say hi and hope y'all enjoy this video. And again, thank you for all the love, thank you for the support. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you don't mind, just give it a thumbs up, a like, share, or send to people, your friends, whatever. Just help my channel get out there. Thank you. So surprisingly, my food was ready. Like, I had just placed it, literally not even like 20 minutes, like maybe 5 at most, and it was ready. Here's the bad part about having a midline, that you gotta take the trays out before you eat and do anything basically. So here I am about to take them off, and I had to come in the car because, yeah, if any of y'all are in the treatment process like I am, you wouldn't understand that. And these little things right here, this little, it's called, what they call it, like key, has came in handy for me because I used to struggle in the very beginning. Well, I had this way before I got the trays, but anyways, point is, this is really good for taking them out. It helps you out a lot. So I'm going to take these out. Then I'm going back in because we're going to eat inside. And then we're going to head to the actual hike, which we're not too far away, like 20 minutes from this location. So as far as time goes, we'll probably get there a little before 2 o'clock. It's 1:09 by the time we eat and all that. So And then we got that 2 hour, well, about an hour, almost 2, drive back home again. Guys, after being lost, there's so many ways to go around. I don't know.
Follow people?
Oh, they kind of do. They connect? I don't know. Y'all, I don't think we could survive. Out. Oh, that part is closed off, anyways.
You remember that one time we went hiking and we got lost? We couldn't find our the car.
Oh man. It's just like, if y'all see this video posted, we made it out. Once we get to like the good parts, yeah, you can do camping out here. Once we get to the good parts, I'll show you, because right now it's a lot of walking, so I'll show you guys the good parts in a minute. Okay, like I was saying, I'm gonna record when I get to the good parts, because we're doing a lot of walking right now, trying to just get to the good parts. So when we make it to the exciting part, I'll show y'all. And it's cold out here. It is cold. It's a lot of stairs. And it's wet, so you kind of got to be careful to know where you're stepping. no signal. Nothing. There's no signal out here, y'all. Guys, look at my shoes. Oh my goodness. My shoes.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Came to a different spot. It's sit and chill. So far, I give this an 8 out of 10. What's your opinion?
I give it a 10. I would do 8.
Oh, you like it?
Because you remember when we went to the other Tallulah Falls and we couldn't even get to the waterfall.
Oh, yeah. It feels good, actually. At first, we thought it was cold, but now that we've been moving, it feels better now.
Ready to go now?
Yeah, look at her.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh my god.
Oh, so you're gonna do it while I'm walking up? I feel like you.
You guys, we survived the hike. We were there for about an hour, maybe close to 2 hours. And we made it back alive. It was a struggle coming back though, coming back up because of the stairs. It literally felt like the Stairmaster. Like you could feel the burn on your thighs. Or maybe it's just because we don't really work out. I don't know, but you could just feel the burn. Now we're heading to this shop that I've seen that I'll show Shaquila. I'll record when I get there because I don't really know the name of it. It's just like a Mexican place that sells desserts. And yeah, my first time there. That's it for me. You got anything to say? Hello, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today is Cinco de Mayo, so I am about to head out with Shaquila. We're going out to this Mexican restaurant, obviously, and it's like a rooftop. And FYI, before anybody, you know, thinks anything, no, I don't really celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Like, us Mexican people, we already know, right? Like, we don't really celebrate it. If you go to Mexico, it's not really celebrated. And even with my family members, none of us celebrate it. And that's Shaquila calling me. But anyways, I just wanted to make a quick intro to say, you know, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I hope y'all can see these flyaways, I believe is what it's called, right? I don't know, I need to look into something to put it on my hair because the way it's set up, girl. But look at the outfit, y'all. I'll insert a photo because right now I'll try to like see if I can record my outfit real quick, but if I can't, I'll just insert a photo because I did take a few just not too long ago. Again, just wanted to say hi, welcome to the channel, or yeah, welcome back. Anyways, let me hurry up because as you guys know, I'm always in a hurry, but I'll record once I get there and I'll show you guys the rest of the night. Can't believe I'm going out on a Monday night and I gotta work the next day, but you know what, you only live once. Okay, I guess I can zoom in real quick. This is the outfit. I tried a little bit. Yeah, cute or whatever, you know. What y'all think? Did I do okay? Or should I have done something else? Anyways, I'll see you guys soon when I get to the place. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh.
When you look good, you don't want to say nothing. DC?
Yeah. Tell me why. No, is there a weight? Did she say anything about a weight? I think a 80? 8? I don't know. There's a weight. That's crazy. It's a lot of people. So we have, alright, we have put our names on that list, and the lady said it's gonna be an hour and 30 minutes just to get up on the rooftop. But you know what, that is to be expected. Like I told Shaquila, I'm like, I am prepared to wait, but if we were able to get in right away, that would have been fine with me. But I'm also okay with waiting, because that's just, it's Cinco de Mayo. That's every Mexican restaurant. It's gonna be full. And I mean, she's trying to look for another place, but if we get lucky, I guess. I just think it's gonna be tough, because it's like, what time is it right now? It's about to be 8 o'clock. Dang, that means we probably won't eat until like 8, almost 9 o'clock. Oh my God. And we both haven't ate since like earlier this day, in the morning I mean, so there's that. I kind of feel like every Atlanta person, when we were waiting, it was another girl with like a huge camera. And I was like, oh Lord, I feel like every other girl out here in Atlanta. I mean, I guess, you know, we all have one thing in common. Yes. But, alright, I'm gonna check back in later once we see what's gonna happen. Again, she's checking to see if there's other places. And I'm starting to talk a little weird because, you know, I got my trades in. So I'll just check in later. Oh Lord, look at the hair. Yeah, don't judge me, please. Y'all want to know what time it is? 9:17. That's the time we're finally getting to eat.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm heading out right now to go to Shaquila's place. We're having like a girls' day there. We're gonna do candle making, which is my first time and I believe everyone's first time. So it's gonna be Shaquila and Ellie. And yeah, I've seen both of them before, but anyways, I'll try to, you know, get them in the video if they want to be in it. But if not, then I'll just show you guys like the candle making that we're gonna be doing, and you know, just having a girls' day. It's a Sunday, it's hot, I'm hot. I need to go. We're supposed to meet at 3, but you know, we were all still trying to get ready, get things together. So I'm finally about to head there now. Yeah, look at my nails. Y'all already know. Y'all already know who is the masterpiece behind this. Hold on, let me show you my other hand. Yep. She never miss. Never. All her work is like great. But let me show you guys my outfit. I think it came out okay for it to be kind of a last minute put together. So let me show you real quick. Here goes the outfit. I'm really in love with these kind of pants at the moment. And then these shoes right here. I think it came out good for me to kind of not know what I was gonna wear, but yeah. What y'all think? Did I do okay? But yeah, let me go ahead and get out of here because again, we're supposed to be meeting up and I'm not even gonna say it because y'all already know what I'm about to say. Let me just hurry up and be there. I'll record once I get there. Finally made it here. So I was responsible for the desserts and my mom just happened to bring us some pound cake, so that's what I brought for us. So yeah, let's get in there.